Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove cover page in Word. First, open the Word file to see the current cover page. After this, open the Insert menu. There, click on the cover page option and then select Remove Current Cover Page. You can see that the cover page has been removed from the document. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.